So by now there's no doubt you've been scrolling through your socials and had a good laugh from one of Matt's clips. But just in case you don't know him, Matt is a comedian who rose to fame through TikTok. He's known for his quick crowd work, controversial insults, but also his chiseled jawline, built biceps, and incredible hair. Women love him and men try to emulate him.
I love you.
I love you too.
But Matt didn't always garner this level of interest. In fact, this is what he used to look like. And here's Matt now. Pretty easy to see how a few simple changes can go a long way, right? Today we're going through step by step everything you need to know to pull off the super popular textured fringe hairstyle, and most importantly, make it look effortlessly cool, just like Matt. We'll tell you what to ask your barber, what products to use, and the perfect way to style. So even though you might not be as quick-witted as Matt, we're going to make sure that your hair game gets you a standing ovation. Breathe some new life and youthfulness into your style. To begin with, check to see if you've got enough hair currently to pull off this trend. Simply pull your hair down over your forehead, and if it falls at least 2 to 3 inches along your forehead, then you're good to go. If not, we suggest you let your hair grow out just a little bit more. Now once you have the length to work with, ask your barber for a tapered cut on the back and sides. We recommend a 1.5 gradient, but make sure your barber can pull off a good fade to create a seamless connection between the sides and the top. Then ask them to keep the length and texture up top and get them to emphasize the texture on the fringe. Your barber should know this, but in case they don't, razoring is a great technique to make this happen. Lastly, save a few photos of Matt on your phone and show them to the barber for reference. It will always be easier for your barber to recreate the exact look if you give them a visual guide. Step 2, styling. Now Matt's able to pull off a natural, effortless look with his textured fringe because of the products that he uses. This creates the appearance that he didn't have to try very hard to get this style, almost like he woke up and just looked incredible. And that is key to this look. So what products should you use to replicate that? First and foremost, applying a pre-styler like sea salt spray to damp hair can help create amazing natural volume. A few sprays into the roots of your hair will create a natural lift once your hair is dry. But the real secret to this effortless textured fringe is texture powder. You're probably used to using heavy gels, pomades, or putties, so the thought of sprinkling some powder onto dry hair might seem a little weird, but trust us, it's an absolute game changer. Apply a few sprinkles to dry hair, then use your fingers to create lift and texture up top. Focusing more on the fringe area will help you pull off this style in seconds. So as you can see, it's actually pretty simple. Salt plus texture powder equals a textured fringe that not only looks incredible, but more importantly, looks natural and effortless. Now if you're ready to turn heads like Matt with an incredible textured fringe, then head to your barber with Matt Rife photos at the ready, grab the 2 amazing products listed below, and get ready to take your hair game to the next level.